My name is Jeff Chaseling and this is my 1966 Westfalia Kombi. Well, yeah, I used to have one exactly the same, nice shiny one. So then also I was driving a 55 single cab ute as a daily driver, and I had a kid, so there was nowhere to put my kid in the front seat of a single cab with no seatbelts. And Klaus had looked at this car to fix for some guy years ago, and he was like, no, I'm not touching that. And then one day I was just there and he's like, you should bring that bloke up and ask him and have twins. And I was like, you know you're gonna have to do the work to fix that. And he was like, yeah, whatever. So yeah, we offered a guy some money for it and sold it, and then Klaus redid it all and got it on the road in about 2015. So it's been on the road now for like almost 10 years, I suppose. Apparently the guy that we got it off imported it from the States. I think he bought it off at eBay, sight unseen, from New York, and apparently it guys in a jail had done some work on it, so the rear floor was just about 3mm checker plate. It was a bit heavy for it and sort of cracked the chassis, and it was like, when we looked at it, I was like, the rear floor was about an inch lower than where it should be. So Klaus converted it to right-hand drive for me, so you know, I didn't want to drive a left-hand drive, being a daily driver and stuff. So yeah, it's just got disc brakes up front, straight axle conversion on the rear, 2054 engine in the back, so yeah. I had the shiny one, and it was a nice car and everything, but just worry about it too much when you drive it and leave it parked up and that. And you know, like I said, I just had a kid, and I'm thinking, you know, you just got this nice beautiful car and kid jumping around the back of it and drawing all over it. So it's good that you can just use it. That's the best thing about it. You can actually just use it for what it is and don't have to worry about it, to be honest.
Hello. Good morning. 10 to 9. Well, I'd actually like to stay, you know, for a few more days, like really, but I can't.
Because of work?
Yeah, I would like to stay at least another night, but there was this, in the car park right at the end, there was this like van that had I was like, it's just pulling here for whatever this is, Catherine Hill Bay. Never been there before, and it was just beautiful. Have you seen my t-shirt that Andy bought me? I put on this morning and showed him.
So relaxed.
I'm like, mate, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the day.
My name is Matt Kay. Oh mate, this is a 57 bus I've had nearly 7 years. It's an X-ray black car. Always wanted to have a palm green, sand green Kombi, and came up 5 minutes from home and yeah, couldn't refuse to go and have a look.
Yeah.
Just cleaned it up when I bought it, polished and waxed the car, and then recently I've just done 36 horsepower motor to go back in it, which I'm still sourcing a few parts for, so hopefully next year it'll go back in. And I've just done the original tyres, the Firestone sort of cross-ply look tyres, and it just works so well, the colour. The green is just, yeah, it just really, especially with the trees and all that, it just really works well. So just an awesome colour combo. Look, I love the look of stock. It just works well, it drives well, and it just brings me back to like older times, yeah, simple times. So it all works well, so just keep on driving it the way it is.
Last question, and Commer or Kombi?
Oh, that's a hard call after seeing your one yesterday.
It's a joke.
No, it's quite a serious question. Look, I like both. I'd definitely roll a Commer, especially a Highwayman. That's the name in it, yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, no, it's a beautiful car, so like them both.
My name is Jules Smith, and this is my Eriba Puck and it comes from the Netherlands, and it's a 1979 model. It came in a good condition, a few rust spots, and we've worked on it for 2 years, and I've done all the internal sewing, and Jim's done all the other maintenance, and it is so comfortable. And we can move it around just holding the eggs. It's lighter than a trailer. It's not even 300 kilos totally loaded. It's just awesome. We love it. People call it a fridge for the esky, but yeah, they call it a little esky fridge.
Some of these pillars, you got a pillar there and a pillar there.
My name's Wayne Stewart, and this is my 1968 Volkswagen Country Buggy, and I got it from Western Australia. I did an 8,000 kilometre road trip to go and get it, and I love it. And it used to be a police car on Barrow Island in Western Australia. It's got the blinkers are in a weird spot at the front, unusual. That's got a roll bar on it that seems to be there from new, and it's got Rossi headlights. But other than that, it was a blue colour, so there's bits of blue under the paint. Then they painted a green colour, and then 20 years ago they painted it this colour. I love driving it, and it's just good fun really. And people love it, so you get pulled up all the time with it. And when you're driving down the road, people bip at you and have to wave and all sorts of things. So it's just unusual. And when I was a young fella, I had a Manx, but when my daughter was born, it was the most useless car for a young dad and a young tradesman, and I sold it. So I've always regretted selling it, and I bought this to replace that. And I told my daughter it was her fault. And my brother's got another one now, so there's a couple of them in the family, and and it goes anywhere. And you can tell from it, I use it. It's not a show pony, but it's in my family forever now, hopefully.
G'day, my name's Dean Layers. This is our 61 Australian Alpine, or Samba as everybody else calls them. We've had it now for, it's getting on 20 years or so. And it actually came from my father-in-law's property out west. So it was a mustering shooting wagon out there. And let's just put it back on the road, and it's become a member of the family. It's just been left alone. We've saved as much as we could from it. Much of the interior and much of the exterior that we could. The hot weather and dry weather sort of saved the rest. And just a good family bus, a good people bus. And it's a little bit special, which makes it nice. It's good to get out on the road and cruise and visit new places. Once we got this one, it was all learning about Volkswagen stuff. So now we know our way around them. It's just glorified lawnmowers.
Make your way home safely. Thank you very much, everyone.